Bubbles is a pioneering company creating electric hydrofoil watercraft designed for river and coastal cities worldwide. Their innovative lineup, including the Bubble, Smart Bubble, and SBH2V1, uses advanced hydrofoils to lift the hull above the water, delivering a smooth, silent, and highly energy-efficient ride. The Bubble seats 4 to 5 passengers, cruises at 12 knots, and offers up to 50 nautical miles of range, recharging in just 4 minutes using clean hydrogen fuel cells. The Smart Bubble accommodates 8 passengers, reaches 16 knots, and reduces energy use by 40% with retractable foils and fly-by-wire steering. The SBH2V1 is an 8-meter hybrid electric craft built for longer, more versatile trips. All Sea Bubbles models produce zero emissions, minimal wake, and feature automatic flight stabilization for quiet, eco-friendly transportation on urban and protected waterways, requiring only a regular boating license to operate. The Searider Searacer is a groundbreaking all-electric personal watercraft that blends the thrill of motorcycle racing with high-speed aquatic performance. Designed for solo riders, it features a sleek, lightweight frame and a motorcycle-inspired body that boosts both style and hydrodynamic efficiency. Weighing just 65 kilograms with the battery installed, the Searacer is exceptionally agile and responsive on the water. Dual electric motors deliver a combined 45 horsepower, pushing it to a top speed of 77 kilometers per hour for an exhilarating ride. Its removable battery pack provides up to 50 minutes of runtime and can be swapped quickly to extend sessions with ease. The Awake Ravik Explorer is a beginner-friendly electric surfboard engineered to make jetboarding easy and accessible for everyone. Its high-volume 121-liter hull and dual-channel design provide exceptional stability, making it perfect for new riders and heavier users. Capable of reaching speeds up to 25 miles per hour and delivering up to 60 minutes of ride time, it offers an ideal blend of excitement and endurance on the water. Built with intuitive handling in mind, the Ravik Explorer requires minimal learning time. Its durable construction ensures reliable performance across a wide range of water conditions. The XR4 battery system connects seamlessly to the intelligent wireless hand controller, allowing riders to power up and start riding within seconds with no complicated setup. Smooth acceleration, responsive steering, and easy control inspire confidence from the very first ride. Whether you're cruising casually, carving gentle turns, or exploring new coastlines, the Ravik Explorer delivers a balanced mix of fun, function, and reliability. Perfect for personal use, rentals, and water sport resorts, it's one of the most accessible and user-friendly jetboards on the market, bringing the thrill of electric surfing to everyone. The Manta 5 Hydrofoil or SL3 is a groundbreaking pedal-assisted electric hydrofoil bike that brings the excitement of cycling onto the water. Designed for lakes, rivers, and coastal environments, it allows riders to glide quietly above the surface, combining fun, fitness, and eco-friendly innovation. Powered by a 52-volt lithium-ion battery with a 600 watt-hours capacity, the SL3 delivers up to 3 hours of ride time on a single charge. It reaches speeds up to 10.4 knots, with a smooth cruising speed of around 6 knots, offering a thrilling yet stable riding experience. Weighing approximately 85 pounds, the SL3 features a lightweight yet durable monocoque frame engineered for strength and agility. Its modular design breaks down into 5 easy-to-carry components, making storage and transport simple and convenient. Built to perform in both calm and mildly choppy waters, it provides exceptional versatility and control across various conditions. Quiet, emission-free, and unlike anything else on the water, the Manta 5 Hydrofoil or SL3 redefines water sports. It introduces a unique and dynamic way to explore aquatic environments, where every ride feels like cycling through the air just above the water's surface. The E-Jet Cycle is an innovative personal watercraft that merges advanced engineering with sleek modern design, offering an eco-friendly and exhilarating way to explore the water. Its trimaran-style hull delivers exceptional stability, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned riders. Powered by an electric assist system and equipped with carbon hydrofoils, it lifts smoothly above the surface, providing a quiet, efficient hydrofoiling experience at speeds of up to 10 knots. With a battery that supports up to 3 hours of continuous riding, the E-Jet Cycle is perfect for coastal tours, lake outings, and relaxed river adventures. Comfort is enhanced by a premium seat with anti-slip padding, ensuring a secure and enjoyable ride. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, it balances performance with elegant style. Designed for sustainability, the E-Jet cycle operates with zero emissions, offering a clean and responsible alternative to traditional watercraft. Combining stability, efficiency, and refined aesthetics, it represents a new era of electric aquatic adventure, delivering a smooth, memorable, and eco-conscious ride on any waterway. Experience the thrill of underwater exploration with the U-Boat Works Nemo, a compact two-seat personal submersible built for true ocean adventurers. Easily launched from shores, yachts, or support vessels, it offers exceptional versatility and accessibility. Its crystal-clear acrylic pressure hull provides an unobstructed 360 degrees view, immersing passengers completely in the vibrant marine world around them. The Nemo reaches speeds of up to 3 knots and can remain submerged for as long as 8 hours, diving to depths of 100 meters. Powered by 4 Whisper Quiet electric thrusters, it glides smoothly and precisely through coral reefs, shipwrecks, and open ocean environments. Control is effortless using the intuitive Manta controller, while the optional Marlin controller allows surface support teams to assist or pilot remotely. The Foil 1 Pegasus is redefining water sports with its advanced hydrofoil electric board, offering a sensation closer to flying than traditional surfing. Designed for high performance and eco-friendly operation, it features a powerful electric motor that delivers a smooth, quiet, and emission-free glide above the water. Its lightweight carbon fiber structure ensures durability, agility, and effortless control, while its sleek, modern design stands out on any lake or coastline. The Pegasus cruises at 18 to 22 knots and reaches up to 30 knots, providing more than 2 hours of ride time on a single charge. With intuitive controls and adjustable speed modes, it suits both beginners and seasoned riders. Whether gliding across calm lakes or carving through coastal waves, the Pegasus offers a futuristic blend of style, innovation, and flight-like excitement.